Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, rear window wiper, rear window defroster, mud guards, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, traction control. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance